and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing the Black & Decker 2-slice toaster with extra wide self-centering slots. This is great for bagels and thick bread slices. I accidentally burned the cord of my last toaster, so my mom went out to the store and got me a new toaster that matches with the rest of my house. It is black and silver. It is beautiful. So let's just go ahead and quickly take a look at the box. As you can see, I already unboxed it, but there was nothing else in here. It was just the toaster. So it says 7 toast shade settings, drop down crumb tray, high lift lever, 3 functions, bagel, frozen, or cancel. My last toaster did not have the frozen or bagel function, so that is pretty cool. It says that there is a 2-year limited warranty. And is there anything else going on? Oh, back here. Extra wide centering slots, high lift lever, stainless steel exterior, bagel, defrost, and cancel functions. Where's the cancel function? Oh, I'm not quite certain, but we'll see. And then the drop down crumb tray. All right, so let's go ahead and look at this bad boy. This is what it looks like. You can tell we're already been touching it. Here is the inside of the toaster. It is pretty wide. All right, and then let's take a look at the owner's manual right here. So let's open this up real quick. If you guys have lost yours, this would be very helpful. Okay, there's your customer service care line number for you up there. All right, number 1, wide slots, which is right up here. Number 2, toast control lever, which is right here. Number 3, toast shade selector. You know, I heard online that the numbers don't actually correspond to toastiness. They correspond to how many minutes it's toasting in there. Curious if that's true. So your toastiness lever. My kids like theirs on a 1 or 2. I prefer 4 or 5. What do you prefer? Let me know in the comments. Let's see, we got the cancel function number 4, which is what, in the middle? Where is the number 4 button? Like, I don't see. Oh, if you turn it, look at that. If you turn it all the way down, that's the cancel function. Check that out. Okay, now you know. We got the bagel button right here. And then we got the frozen button. Oh my gosh, I just realized I've been using the bagel button to toast my daughter's waffles instead of the frozen button. Alrighty then. And then the drop down crumb tray, which is back here somewhere. See how we get it out. Hold on. All right, guys, I unplugged it so I wouldn't like electrocute myself, but actually you're just gonna go ahead and pull this up like this, and then there you go, it comes out. I just probably made a mess everywhere, but I wanted to show you guys because that's different than my last crumb tray. All right, and what else? And then a cord wrap under the unit, which is down here. So for when you store it, you can tuck your cord down and around here. I don't know, I wouldn't do it while it's on the counter. I feel like this cord will get burned, but you know, it's there for when you store it. So there we go, those are all the parts to it. And then the rest of this is in like different languages. Trying to learn Spanish if y'all care. All right, to use. Remove all packing materials. I guess I have to say that. Put it on a flat surface. Toast functions. Let's see. When selecting bagel or frozen function, you must press the toast control lever down before selecting. Oh yes, I did realize that. You have to push this all the way down and then push one of these buttons to light it up. It won't light up first. All right, and then the bagel will illuminate and toast until it's complete or until the cancel button is engaged. Same with the frozen button. And then when toasting is complete, the toast lever will release and the unit will shut off. And then you can clean it by cleaning the crumb tray. And then obviously don't clean it when it's hot. So that's it. We haven't had any issues with it so far. It's been working out pretty well, toasting to our toasty likeness. So if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. You know I'm here to do product reviews and unboxings. I also do some how-to around the house type of videos. If you like that kind of stuff, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.